making yogurt, the first thing I'm going to do is take out this rubber gasket. The rubber gasket absorbs smells from other things, so if you've made some delicious curry dish, you don't want curry-infused yogurt. So if you remove that, now I'm just going to pour the entire gallon of milk into the Instant Pot. You use whole milk, or you can go down to 2%. If you go down lower than that, you'll have to add probably thickeners to make it thicker. My family, we prefer whole milk. So you dump it all in and press yogurt. All of the Instant Pots are a little bit different, but for mine, you press yogurt and then press adjust until it says boil. Then I will get some sugar and vanilla to add right now. Now I'm just going to wait for it to boil. Okay, my yogurt just beeped because it finished the boiling stage. So now I'm actually going to turn it off. And I have to bring it back down to temperature. So you can see there's lots of condensation that drips off here. There's my milk. I'm going to put my milk in a cold water bath to bring it down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. So I have pulled out the insert. I'll put it in this cold water bath. And my water is actually a little bit too deep, and so the bowl is floating in it, but the water comes right up to level with the yogurt, which is perfect. So now you set an alarm, and for me, a timer. For me, I have found that 7 minutes works perfect to bring this right down to the correct temperature. The current temperature for this, I just use a meat thermometer here. My current temperature is about 171. 171, that's not it over there. And it has to be brought down to 110 degrees. So I will just keep this handy. Alexa, set a timer for 7 minutes. My timer just went off after 7 minutes, and I am right around, you can see right there, 111, 108, it's kind of fluctuating as it moves around degrees, so I am all set. All right, I'm going to bring this out of the cold water bath, dry off the edges, and now we'll go put it in the Instant Pot. So my temperature is correct for incubating now. It's about 110 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of yogurt in here. This is some yogurt from my last batch. And then you will stir it around. When you buy yogurt as a starter, you just want to make sure that it has live and active cultures. And you can buy plain yogurt. Some people recommend not to use any flavored yogurts. I have honestly used vanilla many times and it works just fine. So just make sure you get live and active cultures. And that's another thing, I've never actually seen a yogurt at the store that doesn't have live cultures, so whatever. Okay, so now it's back in here. I'm gonna turn on my Instant Pot. I will adjust it this time to 8 hours. I'll put the lid on. And we're gonna let it incubate. Now I just wait for 8 hours. All right, here we are. My yogurt has been incubating for 3 hours and 23 minutes while I have been doing other stuff. Definitely nothing to do with yogurt. It has been 8 hours and my alarm just went off that the yogurt is finished. So let's have a look inside. It has a lot of condensation, so I try to drip that into the sink. You can see, I give it a little shake. It is not milk anymore, we have yogurt. Got a metal bowl, and then what I've done, show this here. What I've done is taken a tea towel and I folded it in half, and I sewed up the sides. And my tea towel happened to have little hooks. I mean, little pieces of material here, whatever, string, so that I can hang my bag of yogurt and it will drip all the way into there. So I am going to put my bag right inside here. Okay, I'm gonna take my yogurt and pour it in here.